At JOSKIN, even the running gears are manufactured in-house. We are aware that modern tractors are driving at ever higher speeds and that the driver often spends long days in the cabin. JOSKIN therefore aims at making the driver's job as pleasant and comfortable as possible. This is how the concepts of the rollover and crossover bogie, as well as hydro-tandem and hydro-tridem running gears were born. The bogies are characterized by their upward pulling line for an easier traction and their modular concept. The bogie table is simply bolted under the vehicle and can be moved according to the requirements of the terrain or the user. These running gears benefit from a precise industrial production. They can be fitted with steering axles and with wheels with a diameter of up to 1.67 m. Finally, they can adapt to all requirements. The hydro-tandem and hydro-tridem running gears are usually fitted on vehicles with large capacity and dimensions. They guarantee the stability of the carriage. Their design is based on the principle of non-compression of the oil, combined with the law of the communicating gauges. As a result, they offer an equal distribution of the loads regardless of the driving circuit.